Hello everyone, this module is all about all-in-one barcode scanning. So the functionality of this module is by scanning the barcode of any product we can create purchase order, sale order, invoice, and even we can create a receipt and the internal transfer. And by scanning the sale order or purchase order barcode, it will redirect to that sale order or purchase order. So first we will create a new product, and when we create a new product it will automatically assign a barcode image for that. I have already created one product which is laptop, and here you can see the barcode image of the laptop. And now we will create a new purchase order. We create a new and we will assign a vendor over here, and we will click on the barcode scanner and we will scan the barcode, and we will create, and you can see the product is added, and on confirming the order our purchase order is created. And same we will go into the sales and we will create a sale order. We go into the sales and we will create a new sale order. Over here we will assign the customer, we scan the barcode and we will create, and our product is added, and once we confirm it our sale order is converted to sales order. Same we will go into the invoice, and in invoice we can create a customer invoice, credit note, and vendor bills and refund. We will go into the customer and we will go into the invoice and we will create a new invoice. Let's assume any customer, Gemini Furniture. We click on the barcode scanner and we will scan the barcode and we will create. Our product is added, and as you can see it is in the draft state. Once we confirm it, it will be posted. Same we can create a credit note. We go into the credit note, create a new credit note. Let's assign any customer over here. We scan the barcode and we will create, and our product is added, and it is in draft state right now. When we confirm it, it will be posted. And same we go into the vendor to create a vendor bills, create a new vendor bill. We will assign any vendor over here. We will scan the barcode and our product is added, and once we confirm it, okay, we have to add bill date over here. We'll assign a bill date, and once we confirm it, the bill is posted. Now we'll go into the refund. We will create a new refund. We will assign any vendor. We will scan the barcode, and after scanning you can see the product is added. And once we confirm it, okay, bill date over here again, assigning bill date and confirm the order, it will be posted. And now we will go into the inventory and we will create a receipt. We go into the receipt and we will create a new receipt. Here we will assign any receiver. Let's suppose BrowseInfo. We scan the barcode scanner, create, and as you can see product is added. We will validate it and our receipt is created. And now we'll create an internal transfer. We go into the internal transfer. We will create a new. We will assign the contact. We will click on the barcode scanner and we will scan the barcode, create, product is added, and we will directly validate it. And we can see it will be in done state and it will be done. Then directly we can also create a delivery order from here. We'll go into the delivery order, create a new. We will assign a delivery address, scan the barcode, and create. Product is added, and right now it is in draft state. Once we validate it, it will directly move to the done state and delivery order is completed. And now we can also fetch the sale order directly from the QR code. Here you can see the order which we have created. In other info you can see the barcode image of that sale order, which is S00013 for the S00037. So by scanning this image, we can directly fetch this sale order. So we will go into the dashboard, and over here we will click on the barcode and we will scan the barcode image. And as you can see, we will directly fetch into our sale order, which is S00037. And the same we can do for the purchase order. So this is all the functionality of this module. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.